Calibration of digital printing machine equipment. Hello everyone, the task we are learning today is calibration of digital printing machine equipment. In order to ensure color consistency in the color printing process, all devices involved in color need to undergo color management. According to the working purpose of the color devices, they can be divided into three categories: display devices, input devices, and output devices. In the specific color management and control process, because display devices output color information through display screens, they can follow the color management process of output devices. However, regardless of the type of device, the overall color management steps can be divided into three steps: device calibration, device characterization, and color conversion, also known as 3C. The calibration of digital printing equipment is to adjust the equipment to the optimal and stable working state, so that the equipment can always maintain consistency when expressing colors. If the equipment cannot work correctly and stably, it will make it impossible for us to predict and control the color reproduction effect. The equipment calibration uses the calibration function in the Heidelberg Interpret cockpit software and needs to be used in conjunction with the EFI ES2000 spectrophotometer. It's generally recommended to perform calibration operations once a day. And if there are special requirements, calibration can be performed more frequently. The same calibration data can be used for multiple types of paper. Before calibrating the digital printing machine, it should be turned on first. The paper tray setting, positive and negative alignment should be completed, and the machine should be preheated for at least half an hour, waiting for the equipment to stabilize before calibration. The new calibration standards can be divided into two types: automatic and manual. Automatic calibration measures the printing data inside the machine during the printing process, and once completed, a measurement success message will appear, eliminating the need for users to perform measurement tasks. For manual measurement, users are required to use a spectrophotometer to measure data after printing out the measurement sample. This video is an example of manually creating a new calibration data and measuring it. First, open the Printex Cockpit 2019 software. Select the printing terminal. Click on the Start Digital Printing Manager for current device icon in the upper right corner. Enter the interface. Select the calibration label. Choose glossy paper as the measured paper calibration data. In the preset calibration data, click on the copy to create a new calibration data. Do not choose preset data with Japan. Second, select paper tray 4, which holds SRA3 size, I.E.320 multiple 464 mm copper plate paper, then 2024-629. Measurement method manual. Screening system 200 DOT. Click on the test page output. Accuracy is standard. Print data change 3, usually 3 to 5 per day. Select the output tray, upper file making machine paper tray, that is, measure the sample sheet from the upper paper tray of the output port. Click on the Printing until adjustments. Standard, click on Printing. Select the calibrated output sample sheet. Usually take the second to last sheet, that is the second paper among the 3 sheets. Third, preparation for measurement. Connect the spectrophotometer EFI ES2000. Place the spectrophotometer on the white calibration porcelain plate. Select the X-Right I1 strapped measuring device. Click on the calibration measuring instrument. If the unconnected prompt appears, you can check whether the device connection wire is plugged in tightly, or whether the device is correctly placed on the calibration porcelain plate, and whether the porcelain plate is turned on. After completion, reconnect it. Enter the manual measurement sample. Use the auxiliary board. Press and hold the measurement button on the left side of the device. When the light is dark, scan the color bar one by one. After the measurement is completed, preview the measurement data, observing the target value and measurement value in the details section generally requires maximum density area of within 10% of the target value. After completion, simply apply it directly. Upon returning to the page, you can see that the corresponding new data has been applied. Daily calibration. At the beginning of each day's work, perform daily calibration on the paper used for production tasks. Automatic method can be used. The steps are the same as the manual method. The difference is that after clicking on the Printect Digital Engine Managing icon, select the Paper tab, choose the paper to be calibrated. Click on Calibration. Select Automatic Calibration. Click on the Test Page Output Device. Select Upper File Making Machine Paper Tray. Select Standard. Click on Online Calibration. Output Calibration Sample. The device automatically completes the measurement and the screen displays the message. Measurement successful with inline sensor. After viewing the data, click on Apply Calibration Results to save the calibration measurement data. The latest calibration data can be seen in the paper list. The above is the content of this lesson. Thank you, everyone.